lovelies, it's Odette here. Welcome back to today's video. Hope you guys are all doing super well today. Welcome to my channel. So in today's video, we are going to talk about these beautiful lashes in my collection. This is called Joy, and Joy is a very hot item at the moment. She is a very hot, beautiful item at the moment. Many of you guys sent me questions in DMs on Instagram asking to give you guys a little bit more of an explanation on these lashes. And because you said to me that you love to wear lashes but you cannot wear your lashes with your glasses, this is the brand for you. This is the style for you guys. You are not going to regret it. It depends on how you wear your glasses and how you like your style of glasses to look on your face. These lashes are not going to touch the lenses of your eyes, of your glasses at all. They are beautiful, they are cute, they are natural looking. It makes your eyes look like you are wearing no lashes at all. You can go in with your full face of makeup, you can do no makeup, you can keep it neutral, you can just put your lashes on and for the rest of the day. It's going to make you look like you're wearing lash extension. They are so pretty and so cute and so girly and a little bit flirtatious at the same time. So I do have my glasses right here, and these are my glasses for driving and also for distance. So when I put my glasses on, I don't put my glasses on the tip of my nose. This is not how I wear my glasses. I do not wear my glasses in the center of my nose. I wear my glasses exactly where it should be, snug right up on my face. And the lashes are not touching the lens of my glasses at all. I can blink as much as I want. They are absolutely not touching the lenses. These are perfect lashes. If you are a glasses wearer, you need these lashes in your life. You are not going to regret it. And again, it depends on how you like to style your glasses on your face. If you want to wear it in the center of your nose, on the tip of your nose, is up to you. But these lashes will not touch the lens of your glasses, period. Trust me when I say this, I know exactly what I'm talking about. I do have my glasses on my eyes right now, as you can see. I've got my lashes on and I'm blinking from side to side. I'm looking up, looking down. They are not touching the lens of my glasses at all. Again, so neutral looking, natural looking, very simple and flirtatious. You have this beautiful sexy eye look with these glasses. If you want to do a complete smoky look with these lashes, you can also do that. If you just want to go in with lashes, like I said, only without makeup, you can do that as well. They are so pretty, so natural looking, and it does make your eyes look really cute. And I do have Joy on today, and I'm looking at myself in the mirror and I look like I'm not even wearing any lashes at all. It look like I do have lash extension on, and these are so pretty, and my god, you guys are not going to regret this purchase. All the details are going to be in the description box for you guys on your ordering process. You are going to be getting a set of two of them for £11.99. All the payments are done through PayPal, so of course the exchange is going to be a little bit different. You're going to be getting two of these in a beautiful box that's going to be coming to you in the mail. Again, this is Joy. Joy is quite cute. The name of the lash is to the top. And again, she's a very hot item in my collection right now, and I love her so much because she is just so pretty. She came through for me in this business. She came through for me in this beauty brand that I have created. It is very pretty, okay? And you are going to love her. You are going to love Joy. She's going to come through for you guys. And when you get this at home, you are not going to regret it. And just like anything you do have in your collection, they're not going to last for very long. This is my third time wearing these lashes on my eyes. I have absolutely no problems at all with it. Just like your brushes and everything that you do have, you have to replace them every once in a while. Joy is really cute. Again, nice and low on the inside, and it flares nicely on the outside. And of course, any lash that I do have in my collection, I always cut from the end, because of course your lashes are too long, okay? Always cut from the end, just a little bit off, so you can still get that nice flare and that nice dramatic look when you put these on your eyes, however you want to wear your makeup. And they are quite cute, and I do love them, and I'm so happy that you guys are liking this brand. You guys are liking this particular style called Joy. She is my hot item in this collection. All of the details will be in the description box for you guys. All of your ordering process is going to be there as well. And again, you are going to be getting a set of 2. You wouldn't be getting just 1. 2 sets will be coming in the mail for $11.99. It's a good price point for these lashes for what you're getting. I'm not selling you the package, I'm selling you what you are going to be looking like when you wear this on your eyes. You're looking for a particular style, you're looking for a particular look. This is the brand for you. You are going to not regret this purchase, and you will definitely not regret wearing these on your eyes. They are going to look so beautiful and so cute. Thank you so much for your questions. Keep them coming in, and if you guys want me to come back and do another video on these lashes, I am happy to do that. Keep the questions coming, keep the orders coming in, and I thank you guys so much for watching. On that note, again, all the details will be in the description box for you guys. This is the end of the video. My name is Odette. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I shall see you next time. Bye.